Those same influencers who used to flex designer bags in every post are suddenly ditching them. No Birkins, no Chanel, no Dior. They've stopped showing off the very thing that built their image. Why? What's going on behind the scenes? Today, we're diving deep into the truth behind why influencers are stepping away from designer bags. And trust me, it's not just a trend. This goes deeper than you think. Welcome to Girl Talk with Ju, the fashion channel where we don't just talk trends, we uncover what's really happening in the style world. We decode fashion, culture, psychology, and everything in between. If you love fashion with substance, hit that subscribe button. Now, let's talk about the dark side of designer bags. The fall of the flex culture. Not long ago, influencers built their entire brand on designer bag collections. You saw what's in my bag videos with $30,000 Birkins. You saw monthly hauls of Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Celine, Prada. But now, something shifted. The flaunting has stopped. The luxury content has slowed. Why? Because the flex no longer works the way it used to. People are tired of seeing the same staged photos, the same overpriced bags, the same repetitive luxury lifestyle, and even more importantly, viewers are waking up. They're starting to ask, is this real? Can they even afford all this? The pressure to perform, influencer burnout. Here's the truth, a lot of influencers are stuck in a lifestyle they can't maintain. Designer bags were never just bags, they were props, proof that the influencer made it. But maintaining that image, it comes at a cost. Monthly hauls, constant unboxings, a new must-have bag every other week. Behind the scenes, credit card debt, return culture, brand deals with silent expectations. A lot of those hauls, fake, borrowed, returned, rented, and suddenly even the influencers feel it. They're tired of pretending, tired of buying for clout, tired of the pressure to look rich just to stay relevant. Designer bag fatigue. Why luxury feels boring. Now the Birkin used to be rare. The Chanel classic flap used to be coveted. Now they're everywhere. And here's the thing with fashion. When everyone has something, it loses its power. Influencers know this, that's why they're pulling back. Some are trying to be relatable, others are shifting to minimalism or capsule wardrobes to rebrand their image. Because owning 30 designer bags doesn't impress like it used to. Now the new status symbol? Authenticity. Quiet luxury changed the game. 2023 and 2024 were the years of quiet luxury. Think Loro Piana, The Row, Kitey. Wealth started to whisper instead of scream. Influencers caught on, but here's the twist. Quiet luxury doesn't thrive on logos. It thrives on understanding fashion. And that's where many influencers fell off. It's not enough to hold a $5,000 bag anymore. If you can't talk fashion, if you don't know your brands, people notice. So rather than fake it, they ditched it because wearing quiet luxury without the knowledge just exposes the inauthenticity. The algorithm shift, how social media rewarded realness. TikTok and Instagram are rewarding different content now. The new viral videos? They're not unboxings, they're I regret buying this designer bag videos, or here's why I stopped buying luxury altogether. Or what I'd tell my 22-year-old self before getting into fashion debt. This is what's trending, this is what gets views now. So naturally, influencers adapt. They're ditching design of honesty, but because honesty is trending, they're rebranding, repositioning themselves as real, as relatable, as recovering luxury addicts. It's a whole new aesthetic. And ironically, it's profitable. Debt, dupes, and the fake flex epidemic. Let's talk numbers. Some influencers went into 5 figures of debt trying to keep up with luxury content. Some faked it for years. Others went viral for wearing fake bags and hoped no one would notice. And some just cracked under the weight of it all. Because pretending to live a rich lifestyle when you're not rich, that's not sustainable. The dupes, the inspired by hauls, the luxury rental services, those weren't about fashion, they were about survival. And now the pendulum is swinging back. Influencers are ditching designer bags because the lie got too heavy. So is this the end of the designer bag era? Not exactly. People still love luxury and bags will always be powerful symbols, but what's changing is why people carry them. Influencers aren't ditching bags because they hate fashion. They're ditching them because they're tired of faking a lifestyle for likes. The new trend? Owning less, buying smarter, being real. And here's the kicker, that might be the most stylish thing you can do in 2025. A fashion reset? So maybe this isn't the death of luxury, but the rebirth of fashion authenticity. Maybe we're finally seeing influencers evolve from performers to real people. And maybe, just maybe, the new flex is not needing one. Let me know what you think. Are you over the designer bag era too? Do you trust luxury content anymore? Comment below and don't forget to follow at HWJ Mag on Instagram for more deep dives like this. If you love fashion with a deeper edge, this is your space.